Okay, this is just a quick video so everyone can learn how to book through our online portal. So right now I'm on the Seriously Skin website and I'm going to click on this book now icon here at the top. It's going to give you a few prompts here like come with a clean face, come on time, all that good stuff. You're going to click I agree. And now we're going to start booking the treatment. So right now we are only booking for injectables. So that will change next week. You won't be able to do that online because laser treatments will require some additional booking time. So we can book injectables online. So we are going to book for a different day. We're going to book, say, the 5th, which is tomorrow. I'm going to choose any time of the day because that's going to give you all the times that are open. We're going to click injectables. Now here, you got to click that, and then right here, this is going to show you everything that you're allowed to schedule for online. If you're wanting to schedule combination fillers, so say you bought on our sale Radius and you bought Xeomin, then schedule any combo and filler toxin treatment, and that way we can accommodate the time. And of course, we know it's with Dr. Kish, so we're just going to go ahead and do that, and then we're going to search. It's going to give me the next available appointment, so it's going to give me 2:15. So but look, there's more. So let's just say I want 3:30, and I'm going to go ahead and book. And it's going to, if you just complete all these steps and then check it, it will automatically add you to our system. So that's how you use the online booking for your injectable treatments.